In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Superscript and Subscript text in Draw.io. This is a simple but powerful way to make equations, footnotes, and chemical formulas look clean and professional right inside your diagrams. Start by opening your web browser and going to Draw.io. If you already have a diagram, open it. If not, create a new blank diagram so you have a place to practice. You don't need to change any settings or install anything. Everything we need is built into the text editor in Draw.io. Now select a text element. You can click a shape that has text or insert a text label and then double-click to enter editing mode. You'll know you're ready when you see the blinking cursor inside the text. From here, you can either highlight the exact characters you want to format or place the cursor where you'll start typing the formatted text. Highlighting applies the change to existing text. Leaving the cursor in place applies it as you type. To create a superscript, press Ctrl and the period key at the same time. You'll see the selected text become slightly smaller and rise above the baseline. To create a subscript, press Ctrl and the comma key together, and the text will drop just below the baseline. These shortcuts are toggles, which means pressing the same combination again returns the text to normal. Here's a quick workflow example. For x squared, type x, press Ctrl plus period, type 2, then press Ctrl plus period again to continue in normal text. For a chemical formula like H2O, type H, press Ctrl plus comma, type 2, press Ctrl plus comma again, and then type O. You can mix regular text, superscripts, and subscripts within the same label as needed. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure you're actively editing the text and that your characters are selected. Click inside the text to refocus it, then try again. Also check that you're pressing the Control key with the period or comma key on your keyboard. If you make a mistake, use undo to revert instantly. When you're done, click outside the text to finish and your formatting will remain applied. You can repeat this anywhere in your diagram, on shapes, labels, and connectors, so your content stays clear and precise without digging through menus. That's all you need. Open Draw.io, select your text, and use Ctrl plus period for superscript or Ctrl plus comma for subscript. Practice it a few times and it will become second nature whenever you need mathematical notation, citations, or scientific formatting.